Hi guys, we're back now and we're sorry about that. We're gonna make another challenge.
House tour po tayo next time pag makalinis na.
Hello.
Hi! Dito po tayo ngayon sa ating bagong bahay. Meron pong termin si Aria.
They're just old things.
Yeah. Ay, marami pala ditong mga basura. Yan, oh. Kasi it's per meal time.
I wanna walk.
You want to walk? Okay. So, meron siyang termin or appointment sa kindergarten, yung bishistigong termin ang tawag. It's like signing contract na tayo. Last time, nagbigay na tayo ng paper. Una, tinawagan natin, tapos nag-ask ng information, bigay ng paper natin, information ni Aria. And then ngayon,
my face, Mama.
oh,
My face is
anyways, she's eating, what you're eating lang gain?
cotton candy.
Cotton candy. So, can you stand up?
It's like, it looks like cotton, but it's actually cotton candy.
Yeah, but it's just sugar. Do you know that?
Yeah, with sugar.
Yeah. So, yan ngayon ay mag-signing contract na talaga. So, officially, doon na po si Aria. And, kailangan ko siyang dalhin para to meet them. Because it will be her new kindergarten now. So,
My mom wasn't in a hurry. My mom thought that we are late.
yeah! Ewan ko na sana yung utak ko. Grabe kalutang ko ngayon. Sobrang lutang dahil, you know, hindi ako masamang tao. Like, I was just asking for the right of my child. At hindi ako nag-ask ng too much. Pero nakita ko lang na, syempre, she also has a right. Kaya, ni-fight ko yun against sa ama nila. And, kaya naging lutang na naman ako. At first, I was fighting for myself. And then, ngayon, I'm fighting for my child's right. So, dalawa na yung ni-fight ko. I gained myself already. Like, I have my freedom ngayon naman ng anak ko. Ang karapatan ng anak ko. But it's okay.
First cotton candy is done.
Yeah. Pero, ganun talaga yung life. We have a lot of lessons na magiging strong tayo at magiging fighter. Kung dati-dati, like,
Oh, look at this, Mama.
sobra akong
Look at this.
mahina. Soft heart.
It's very soft.
Yeah. Ngayon, ganun din naman ako. Pero, palaban na. Yan. Nagiging palaban tayo. Kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng maraming experience, mga heartaches, mga struggles in life. Nagiging palaban na tayo. So, ngayon, bahala na yan. But anyways, it's a personal thing. I don't know why I'm sharing it, pero ay ko na lang i-detail. Pero yun lang, na-share ko lang kung bakit nawala ako sa mind kasi supposedly 15 yung kanyang termin. Nagmamadali ako, 1 PM pa lang. Sabi ko, tara na, hurry. Baka malihit na tayo. Sus, Diyos ko. Pagdating sa city, malapit na city dito. Like main city. Ano pa lang, 1:30. Yeah, 1:30, 1:40, ganun.
Let's pick up the strawberry first.
Ang termin pala, ay alas 15 or alas 3. Diyos ko. So, we are 1.5 hour. Pero okay na yan. At least, mas maaga tayo kaysa
I'm just
late.
looking at it.
Yeah, can you put that first down so I can put this down? Thanks. So, we need to look for the...
I don't have the key.
Oh! I was on his phone. Come here.
Thanks.
So, wait. Give you the key to open the door. So, here. Please, petition.
Here,
Ayan.
petition.
Dito tayo sa bahay. Nag-decide kami. Or nag-decide ako
How
na.
long was the keychain?
Oh, I don't know. Nag-decide ako na umuwi dito para maglaba muna. Kasi
Where's the keychain? Where is
Maybe.
it?
Naputol na naman. Sobrang
Mama,
sayang.
look. Mama, I'm gonna show you. It's not in this side. It's in...
Yes, you see? The other side. I told you. So, pasok muna tayo. Iwanan ko lang ito kay gamitin natin mamaya. Or, here na lang. Pasok muna. Maglaba-laba. Good morning! Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Good morning from Arya. Hi!
Hi.
So, ayan, kumakain siya ngayon ng, what are you eating?
Cereal.
Cereal with milk. And she got a very cute bowl. It's a
Tiger.
tiger. Ayan, it's pretty. Yeah, and cute. Looks like mom. Is mom a tiger? What is a mom? What kind of animal is mom?
Beautiful.
Oh, beautiful animal. You are like a mouse. Like a cute tiny mouse. Motion. Like that. You are like that. So we are here in our new home. Nasa sala po tayo. Oh, wait. So ito po yung sala natin. We have a very big sala and high ceiling, but not that high, but it's like, ayan. High din siya. And we have dining area in this side, and we have a nice dining area.
Have a
High ceiling, yes.
Yeah, but when we go downstairs, it's a high.
More high. It's higher, like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ewan ko kung anong nangyari sa weather. It was so warm, and now parang gloomy. Yung sad weather.
Sad weather?
Yeah, look outside. Or is it a nice weather? Because the sun is not really rising. It's a little bit gloomy. Magkape na po ako. Mag-prepare ako ng aking kape. And then after this, what is our plan today? We actually have no plan because it's still vacation of Arya. She cannot still go to kindergarten because she's allowed to go there on August. But in August, it's summer vacation. She will go on vacation. And then after vacation, she go to kindergarten. Yes? Ayan.
But in 4 days.
Yeah, after 4 days. And, oh, I have
I also get 2 vacations.
pool vacation. Yeah!
2
Huh?
vacation. I said 2 vacations.
2 vacations, sorry.
Also a pool vacation.
Yes. So,
Even though I'm going to Philippines.
so
For
since
2 different months.
yeah, so since Arya has no kindergarten yet, and oh, parang naubo na siya kasi yung weather. It's really like abnormal, no? Ulan, tapos super init, tapos super lamig, init, bigla-bigla. Ay, nako. Ganito talaga. Ah, yeah, we got same color, pink. Ganyan po talaga yung weather dito. At, ang liwanag. And, Arya is really dreaming na matuto po siyang lumangoy.
That might make my dream come true.
Oh, what is your dream then?
To go to the pool.
Pool. Yes. So this is a very exciting news. We are going on vacation next week, and we will be living. We will be staying in a home with a pool. Yes.
Like in the backyard.
There's also backyard. And it's a nice home. And alam nyo po, ang may-ari po nito ay isa pong vlogger na nag-invite sa atin. Sabi niya, Day, punta kayo dito, Day. Ako lang mag-isa. So, I was thinking na, wala naman kaming ginagawa ngayon. Alam niyo, like, matapos na yung ating mga papeles, yung paghahanap ng, like, trabaho, kindergarten, and everything. It's all finished. Ngayon, ay relax na lang po kami. So, we are having a slow living life right now with my daughter. And, alam nyo po, this is the real, this is the real kayamanan. This is the real wealth in life. When you have a slow living life, like slow morning, you're not on hectic schedule, and peace, no? Tapos, makikita mo sa labas, you have a very nice backyard nature. You will hear the sound of the birds. And, yes, and of course, you have your daughter, you have your family, and people...
But not with my dad. You said family.
family. Yeah, but unfortunately, your dad must work in Berlin. That's
And
why.
also my brother don't want.
Sorry?
Also my brother don't want.
Berlin, naman?
Also my brother don't want.
Yeah, your brothers, they have their own home. They have
Yeah.
their own room that they don't want to change and change. It's
No,
also
no,
better.
no. Only for 7 days.
You mean when we go to vacation, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, we cannot bring them. Yeah, we cannot bring the brothers because they still have school. But, we will do a... Are you okay? Naubo naman tong bata. But we will do a separate vacation for them, with them. And I'm still looking where to go.
Go
But-
to where?
Yeah, because I was planning to go to Spain with them and they don't like.
That
Because,
means that I need to go.
yeah. And
We're
they
gonna
said...
fly or are we gonna drive?
No, we need to fly, love. We need to fly because driving is so far. And we also have no driver's license. And
No, we just book like
Uber?
when we move in like we move in Berlin.
like the big car, you mean?
Yeah.
We have a schedule for vacation with the kids, with Kuya Tico and Nathan. Kasi last year, we had a big vacation. We went to USA, to
But it was a long
UK.
time ago.
Yeah, last year. So sabi ng papa niya, this year is for them. So, sila po
But
ang
they don't
magbabakasyon.
want
Why?
to go to the vacation.
Yeah, they cannot come with us this year because they will do a big vacation with their father. So, hati-hati po
Where?
tayo. They will tour around Europe with Mami Lynn and baby Chloe and your sister. So, they will be touring around Europe sila this year, and next year will be our turn to have a big vacation. But we will also like book something like weekend vacation with them, like 3 days, like that. Are you doing translation?
Yeah.
So, yan po. Ano ba yan? Nagiging OA naman tayo sa pag-i-English. Is Mama good in English? You're better than me. You better explain it. So, ayan po. Kaya, this year, wala tayong big vacation with the kuyas. And I will have a big vacation with Papa. Because, but we will be having a week vacation with Arya. Yeah.
That tickles.
Yes. So we decided to book this vacation for next week. Dahil po kay Arya, dahil dream niya po talaga na matutong lumangoy and magbakasyon na may pool. Now I need to drink my coffee and prepare ourselves. Maybe we go
I am
out.
done
Yeah, and Arya's done. So see you.
in a few minutes. Bye. Peace.
Ay, magkakape tayo ngayon. Ano ba ito? Ang dumi pala. So, magkakape tayo. Hinugasan ko muna yung ating coffee machine. Napakatagal na po ito. Ilang taon na to sa atin, no? Hanggang ngayon, okay pa siya. Matanggal. This is my favorite coffee machine. Maliit lang kasi siya. Handy and masarap yung coffee kapag ayan. Super accessible. Ay, maliit lang kasi siya. Handy and ang bilis na makagawa ng coffee. Isang click mo lang. Lalabas na yung coffee mo. That is my favorite. And na-miss ko na yung aking kape. Normally, ang paborito ko talaga is espresso. Nespresso, yan. Yung product is Nespresso. Pero mas mura kasi ito, Jacobs. Mas mura siya kaysa sa Nespresso. Bibili tayo ng Nespresso next time kapag makapunta tayo like sa Galleria. Hindi kasi siya available sa mga small supermarkets. Kaya hindi ko ako nakabili. Yan lang yung nabili ko, ang Jacobs Espresso. Ayan, nag-function pa rin yung ating coffee machine at tingnan nyo, ang sarap. I'm so excited, pero ito yung hindi ko talaga maiwasan ba. Ang paglagay ng sugar. Niyano na ako ni, like, binigyan na ako ng advice na not too much sugar. Pero, minsan kasi kapag umiinom tayo ng coffee na walang sugar, parang di ko kayang pait. Pero tinatry ko naman na hindi na masyadong mag-sugar. Mas better kung brown sugar, kaya lang, wala kasing brown sugar dito available. Bibili pa tayo, hindi pa ako nakapag-shopping. We still need to do grocery, yung mag-stock tayo ng pagkain. Ganun. So, sarap. Mas masarap pa rin po ito kaysa yung sa binibili mo na coffee sa mga bakery outside. Iba talaga yung lasa. Pero mas masarap yung natural, yung ano na coffee ba yung ang tawag yan eh. Yung nasa machine talaga nilalagay. Yun yung pinakamasarap. O nga pala, hindi ko na show sa inyo. Ito po yung ating kusina. It's also a little bit big kitchen. Pero maggawa po tayo, mag-house tour po tayo next time. Pag makalinis na. Kasi ang dami po natin itong linisan. Ang bahay po na to ay fully furnished. Maglilinis po muna ako sa buong bahay bago po tayo mag-house tour. Pag nakalinis na yun, pwede na tayo mag-house tour. It's a fully furnished house. Actually, andito na lahat. Pero iba pa rin yung aking coffee machine, for example. Iba yung gamit natin, no?
We're back and gonna make a challenge. Guess the animal.
Yes, the guess.
Who will go first?
Okay, should I go first?
Yeah, you go
Okay.
first.
I already made it before. Sorry. Is it okay?
Tiger.
Yeah.
It's a tiger.
Now it's your turn.
Okay. You go.
Cat?
Yeah.
Okay, drink water first.
A horse.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's your turn. Sheep.
Yeah. Sheep.
What then?
Sheep.
Sheep. Okay. And this one. Correction. Wait, I have to think first.
Okay. Fish. A whale. Snake.
Yeah. Okay, your turn. Fish.
Yeah. Tweet. Tweet.
Huh?
It's a bird.
Yeah.
Because I hear like beep beep.
Also right.
And then that's what you think. Hi guys, we're back now and we're sorry about that. We're gonna make another challenge. What we're ever doing. Like now it's my turn.
What is it? Football, soccer.
Yeah!
They cannot see. They can see. And what about this?
Okay.
Wait, it's wait. Like this.
Swimming.
Yeah. Your turn. Naglaba tayo. Ngayon ay sa labas tayo mag-hang ng clothes. Dahil kumanda na yung weather. Di ba sabi ko kanina, napaka-abnormal talaga ng weather. You can maybe hang yours and then... Yeah.
I don't have mine here.
Yeah. Ang abnormal ng weather dito kasi init at lamig. And here, this side.
But I don't like the sun.
Here. Here, better. This side. Oh wait.
What should I do?
I will give you this
Small ones?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait here.
Here. Do you know how to do that?
You said small, but this is big.
That's not so big.
But you need to do it. It's super big.
Kung assistant ko, reklamo man.
Wala
good. What about the other one? Hang it properly.
There is the sock. It's just right here. Hi.
Hello! Ayan, we are now here in the Spielplatz or
And the
playground. The beach is not yet.
Hey, there, over there.
Yeah. Dito tayo ngayon malapit sa ating tintirhan sa bago nating bahay. Napakalapit lang po. Napakalaki na playground at malapit din po sa tinitirhan ni Dong. Mga ano lang, around 5 minutes with auto or with bus. 5 to 7 minutes lang. Ayan po, oh. Nakapunta na po tayo dito. Dati, nag-vlog na rin tayo dito po. Naglalaro yung anak ni Dong na si Marvin. At si Arya, gustong-gusto niya po na mag-beach. Ang problema dito...
It looks like we already been here.
Yeah, we've been here. Remember? Here's where Marvin playing. Oh, may mga nag-barbecue, oh.
Oh, I was here with Jennifer.
Yeah.
And we was trying to touch the lake, but we can't.
Malapit din po ito sa Rhine River. So, maghanap po tayo ngayon ng beach ni Arya. Yung beach niya kasi...
Somebody called a friend of Jennifer. That's why it's like...
So, napakaganda ng lugar pala, no, ng bago nating tinitirhan kasi punong-puno po siya ng park, mga green trees.
Mama.
Yeah.
Over here, there's the beach. Like we can touch the water.
There, oh, in the front.
Yeah.
You see that? At sa harap po natin ang
Mama, we can't
castle.
touch the water. We can't.
We cannot?
I can't because there's a bush behind it. That's why.
Okay, then we look there. Pero sabi ni Ara talaga gusto niya pumunta ng beach, kaya andyan lang po yung Rhine River, yung beach na sinasabi
It
niya.
looks like a boat restaurant.
Yeah, it's a boat restaurant. Basteria, so Bastay restaurant. So yung beach niya na palagi namin pinupuntahan, paborito namin na beach or river beach ay alala. Sorry lang ka. Sorry. Ay, wait. OMG. Ayan. You stand up because this is very heavy. Marami pa tayong dala, kaya ang bigat po ng ating dinala ngayon. Ayan. Yung beach po niya, na paborito na beach ay medyo malayo dito, around 1 hour. Okay, you need to stand up here so it will be balanced. Yeah? Like that.
I don't want that we're gonna fall.
Yeah. So, ito po talaga yung buhay kapag meron kang anak. Lagi po kayong lalabas, Spielplatz, yung mga beach na sinasabi niya, mga park, ganyan.
Mama, the boat cannot go there because there's a restaurant. That's why.
Hold properly lang ka.
Holding.
So, around mga 6 years old, 7, okay pa, 8. Pero pag mga edad ng
like a rhino,
Litipo and Nathan.
Mama, it looks like a rhino.
Yeah. Rhino is also near here. Yung malaki na park sa Bonn. So, we go down. Wow, ang dami kumakain dito. Punong-puno po yung restaurant. Naputol yung ating vlog kanina, pero doon po sa restaurant na yun, ang dami-daming tao. Kasi napakaganda po ng tanawin. Tingnan nyo nga naman. Ayun, oh. Yan ang gilid ng restaurant. Pero ito kung nakikita nyo, kasi medyo... Ayan, okay na. Madilim yung mukha ko. But, yeah, wait lang ga. This is the most important na makikita nyo. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang ganda. Ito po yung tanawin sa gilid ng restaurant na yun. And dito po sa gilid is ang gaganda po ng mga buildings. Yan. Kasi dati po ang Bonn, itong Bonn City is the former capital city of Germany. Kaya magaganda ang mga Gebäude or mga buildings, no? Napapalibutan, especially dito po sa Godesberg kung saan po tayo nakatira. Our new apartment, our new house, ay dito po yung mga embassy, yan, international embassy, at dito po lahat, kaya napakaganda ng mga buildings, mga ano tawag yan, mga daanan, tapos naglagay pa sila ng mga ganda mga puno, maganda yung pagka-plan. And meron po pala ditong nangisda. Ayan po sa baba. So mamaya interview natin siya. Kung papayag siya, pero I think so, hindi. Ayan, may nangisda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, saglit lang. Okay, ayan. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, si tatay. Maganda po no ang hobby na fishing. Yan po ang paborito ni Nathan. Pero kailangan po dito ng license at mag-exam ka. Kung pasado ka pa, makakuha ka ng lisensya sa pangingisda. So we're gonna stay here. So, yeah, okay. Then we go down. Maybe here. Here? Oh yeah. Hala, kailangan. Oh, careful. Oh my God. Be very careful.
It's like hours, like
Oh my God.
you need to bend over, Mama.
Wait, Aya, wait. Wow, you're not scared. Hala, nakakuha siya. Look at that, Arya. He got one. Let's go there and we ask. Yan, oh,
No, we're going this side.
Oh my God, nakakuha siya ng isda. Ang laki. Nakakuha si tatay kanina ng malaki na isda. Kaya lang, ayaw kong...
This has a
Yeah.
jumping.
Kaya lang ayaw kong mag-video sa kanya kaya baka ayaw niya. I did not ask also, but okay naman manood. Ayan, dito tayo. Kaya lang, medyo madaming bato. But, look at the view. Okay? Wow.
Because it's kind of big.
So nice here.
Oh, that's a big one. Ah,
Be careful lang, God. That's so big for you. Ayan na po yung castle.
that causes up there.
Yeah, so nice. So big. Ganda, uy.
It jumped one time. Pero yun, this time naman
Oh my God. I will show you how. This one I like.
I know how to rotate, Mama.
Here, look at me.
Tail. You know how to do a tail? Look, Mama, here. Mama, it's so, like, slippery, the stone. There's dust on there. I can lift it that way. Oh, but look at the bed.
Okay, you see now?
Oh, it's so cold. It's not that cold.
Anak ka! Medyo malamig na po kaya mag-bonfire na tayo. Pero yung anak ko, ha? Why you get to? There's a lot of stone here. Why you get stone? A seat pala. Ah, okay. I have a fire. So, ayan, nagkuha tayo ng fire doon. Oh. May nag-bonfire doon banda. Dito tayo mag-bonfire malapit sa tubig. Laka.
What's that, Arya? Kinuha mo na yung...
Bato yang gipangahoy bato na. Unsa naman ni si Arya? Oy.
Mama, it will get...
Wait. Laka. Grabe na pagsiga. Look. Ganda. Yeah, it's okay. Kailan yung ano mo doon? Loy, interview? Kailan yung interview mo doon? Sa ano?
Sa Marion?
Oo.
July 1.
July 1. Wala, ang ganda, uy.
Tapos hapon.
Namatay na po yung bonfire at the same time, mula na pong araw. At magpapaalam na rin po tayo. It's already 10 in the evening and maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na panonood. This is our life here in Germany. Thank you so much sa pagsubaybay. And God bless and good luck kay Loy sa new beginning niya dito po sa Germany. And congratulations! Siya na po mag-ano sa kanyang
Sa susunod na kabanat.
yes, sa kanyang good news. So thank you for watching. Good night everyone!
Salamat!
Bye!
Ingat!